Good afternoon, it's December the 23rd and this is your daily report. The dollar is steady ahead of economic data. The dollar is stronger today with the currency markets after Q3 gross domestic product was revised slightly higher to 2.6% from a previous 1.7% on Wednesday, but lower than market's expectation of a 2.8% increase. Data also showed existing home sales increased to 4.68 million in November from a previous 4.43 million. Today's jobless claims, durable goods orders, and new home sales will give investors further insight about the U.S. fragile recovery. The euro bounced in Asia, supported by demand in the region, but still remains shaky as Eurozone debt problems are expected to deepen further into the new year. EURUSD rose to 131.50 today, but still remains below the 132 level. The Eurozone is threatened by rating agencies Moody's and Fitch that put Portugal and Greece sovereign debt in review for a possible downgrade, further weighing on the single currency. On Wednesday, China announced that the country is willing to help Eurozone escape its debt crisis, offering to buy a significant amount of Portugal's debt, but failing to prevent the downgrade trend of the euro. Against the Swiss franc, the euro hit a fresh new low on Wednesday at 1.2437. The pair was last traded at 124.89. The euro also fell against the Japanese yen today, hitting a 3-week low at 108.91 from 109.61. Against the Japanese yen, the US dollar weakened today, falling to 83.05 from 83.56, helped by the heightened risk aversion in an end-of-year thin trading condition. The Australian dollar rallied against the US dollar, hitting a 6-week high at 1.0036, breaking above parity level. It appears that the market is optimistic about Australia's economic outlook, helped by a strong employment sector and rising commodity prices. In contrast, Australia's neighbour New Zealand disappointed investors on Wednesday after data showed gross domestic product fell 0.2% for the first time in 6 months, reducing the possibility of a rate hike in the near future. Kiwi slid against the dollar on Wednesday as low as 0.7383, but then recovered to trade at 0.7471 today. Currencies to watch out for, we have the EURUSD and USD yen. The Euro-USD pivot point is in at 131.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 131.65. The USD yen pivot point is in at 83.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 83.40. Today's calendar and market movers. We have U.S. durable goods orders in November forecasted to drop 0.5%. Canada gross domestic product for October forecasted to gain 0.3%. U.S. initial jobless claims forecasted to be unchanged at 420,000. Finally, in equity markets, we have U.S. equities closing positive on Tuesday with the S&P 500, on Wednesday with positive S&P up 0.34% and the Dow up 0.23%. European bourses were mixed with the FTSE traded up 0.53%, DAX unchanged, and the CAC trading down 0.20%. The Hang Seng at the time of writing is trading up 0.19% and the Nikkei closing on the Japanese Emperor's birthday. I'm Sarah Henry from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.